We give you a live look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average. We're going to have much more on the market's historic sell-off today, what's behind the drop, and what it means for you when we come right back. The Dow falling 2,000 points out of the open, though it has since made up some of those losses. You see right now it's down 1,400 points. The S&P erasing 7% of its value before trading was briefly halted. As we said, trading now back open. We want to bring in financial advisor Michael Ruggiero to help us understand what's happening. And Michael, a drop was expected today. Did anybody see this coming?
No, I don't believe to this degree that they saw this coming, but this is a combination of what is going on with Saudi Arabia and Russia and the oil production war that they seem intent on getting involved with, and also the coronavirus.
So tell us.
You have two.
Well, go ahead.
Go ahead. Well, it's a double punch to the market. The market doesn't like uncertainty, and it's reacting to it.
So it did bounce back since the circuit breaker halted trading, but how much did that help?
We really won't know until the end of the day, because it always seems like when the market is as volatile and as choppy as it is right now, the last half hour of the market really kind of tells if it will be able to support itself. So even if it stays where it's at right now, I don't think that that's a terrible thing. But within the last half hour, if it drops off again, then that just means that people are looking to get out, and it could be another very volatile week.
What would you say to investors who are in panic mode right now? What advice?
They have to put this into perspective. Let's back up to 2008. From 2008 until January of 2018, the market traded up 380%. Right now, from the last couple of weeks going back to January of 2018, yes, it's been very bad, but this is where we're at now. We are at January 2018 levels. So you really have to make sure that you have the proper allocation and diversification within your portfolio, and just know that over a long enough historical timeline, the market will perform in the plus territory anywhere from 6 to 8%. So it should come back.
Well, how low do you think they might go, just to kind of prepare everybody?
Oh, I would say we probably have another week or so of volatility in regards to both these issues with Russia and with the coronavirus. I do think that you will see people getting back into the market, because now there's all of this opportunity to buy at these lows. And so I do think that you will see a turnaround. And, we've been through this before. We've been through this with H1N1. We've been through this with Ebola, with Y2K, the days after 9/11. So we've seen this chop in this volatility. And there's no economic reason why this should be happening. The credit markets are still good. People are still employed. And so this is just a reaction, like I said, a double punch to the markets, a reaction to everything that's going on.
Okay, well, Michael Ruggiero, thank you so much for joining us. We appreciate that insight.